Are you looking for the best space-saving beds for small rooms in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best space-saving beds for small rooms. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DHP Sophia Upholstered Queen-Size Daybed. If you're looking to create the perfect lounging spot in your limited space, consider this elegant queen-size daybed that features a full-size trundle beneath. The tan linen upholstered frame has tufted arms and no back, making it a beautiful fit in a chic and modern or country French-style home. The trendy design is easy to convert to the coziest reading spot ever, and the full-size trundle will simply slide out if you have guests. This daybed comes in 4 color options, although gray and blue options are only available in twin over twin size. Another backless daybed features a metal frame rather than upholstery. It's great for a den or study, or any room that doubles as a workspace and a guest room. Moving on at number 4, we have the Discovery World Furniture Bookcase Twin Captain's Bed. If you don't need extra beds, but you do need extra storage for your compact space, this twin-size captain's bed offers lots of appealing amenities in a small profile. This bed also eliminates the need for a dresser. It comes with 6 sizable storage drawers that can be configured on either side of the base should you want to place the bed against a wall. A small storage cubby at the foot of the bed is a perfect place to store shoes or extra bedding. The tall sideboard features bookshelves on each side with a wide center shelf that's ideal for a clock, personal devices and more. The bed frame is made from solid pine, and finished in a trendy espresso stain. If you love this design but want a trundle in addition to storage space, this bed is another solid choice. At number 3, we have the BStar Queen Wall Bed. When you need storage, convenience, and classic furniture design all in one, this queen wall bed suite has all the right elements. The big wall cabinet features a shaker-inspired design and is finished in dark walnut gray, although you can also get it in chocolate or white, depending on your design style. It comes with 2 side storage cabinets with multiple open shelves that can be adjusted to keep all your books and favorite bedside items. This bed is super easy to fold down, and the bed frame has an ultra-comfy Euro slat mattress support system that gives it just a bit of extra bounce. It will fit any standard queen mattress from 8 to 12 inches thick and can be made up with bedding in place as long as you remove the pillows. Storage space issue solved. If you don't have the room or need for those extra storage units, you can save space and quite a few bucks with this simple queen wall bed that's frill-free and features a modern contemporary design. At number 2, we have the MeritLine Convertible Dorm Loft Bed. This cute-see convertible loft bed is an ideal option for a kid's room or dorm room where space is often at a premium. It features a configuration that we've not seen in others, as it offers a unique desk setup, with a pair of bench seats facing a single 37.7 x 22-inch work surface at the center. This makes a perfect space to work on group projects, and when the homework stops, the work table can drop down and the seat cushions can act as a second sleep surface below the upper bunk. The top bunk and bottom bunk each have a 175-pound weight capacity, and while you won't need a mattress for the bottom bunk thanks to the included cushions, you will want a standard twin for the top bunk. Pine slats support both the top bunk and the bottom seats, each of which also have an under-storage drawer to maximize space even further. The drawers are on casters, making them super easy to slide in and out. The upper bunk features 15.5-inch head and side rails for safety, and a 4-step ladder makes for easy access. If a shared work desk isn't ideal and 2 regular sleeping areas are preferable, this twin over twin has an L configuration that includes a single desk under the top bunk. And finally at number 1, we have the BStar Versatile Queen Murphy Bed Kit. If you're someone who simply doesn't have ample space for a guest room, this wall bed can save you when company comes. When enclosed, the faux triple-door cabinet looks like a unique storage case that makes it appear more like an architectural element of your home. When you open the shaker-inspired cabinet door, simply pull down and voila! You've got a hidden queen-size guest bed in a snap. This pull-down bed features a super comfortable Euroslat mattress support system. When you go to put it away, it's equally easy thanks to the dual piston system. Just remove the pillows and close it up, covers and all. You'll need to order an appropriately sized queen mattress, although those up to 12 inches fit this bed frame well. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.